Hello everyone, my name is Michael. I'm with Windy Windows, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a window with a water-fed pole. It's a 4-step process, and this is how I do majority of my windows. So for the first step, you're going to want to just rinse off the window. You can either use the water-fed pole or a hose. The second step, gently just rub all the abrasions, any dirt, any bugs off. I like to use an SOS pad. It's simple. You can get a bronze steel wool pad, bronze pads, walnut pads. There's lots of different pads you can use. I'm not going to touch up on the top part just because I've already done this window a couple times. I just wanted to show it for instruction. Anyways, step 3, you're going to want to use the water-fed pole with the DI tank. This is going to filter the water, bring it down to 0 parts per million. This is why it dries streak-free. And after you rinse off a little bit of the soap, you want to brush just a little bit, because if you don't brush off the remainder of that SOS, that soap, it's going to stick. It's going to leave little white marks, so you want to make sure you get all the soap off the window. And for the final step, we are going to lanular flow the water all the way down to the bottom of the window, so you can get any remainder dirt off the window. And just like that, you are done. You know how to wash a window with a water-fed pole. Thank you for watching.